So I have the first victim picked out for the saw today. It's about just a little bit over 9 feet long, and it's almost 8 inches on the small end. I'll take you to the other end and show you that end. So there's the whole log, and so this is the big end, and just not counting the bark, it's just about 9 inches across. 9.5 this way, so just say 9 inches across. And that is how the mill is supposed to be run, where you just make cut after cut after cut. But usually you have a lot bigger logs. You know, most people have way bigger logs than I have. So it takes me a lot more calculating and doing, and I want to make sure that they're really square and stuff. And so that would have been a good 6x6, other than it had the wane on it. If I would have cut an inch off of the top and the bottom, I could have had a good 4x6, but then I'm kind of wasting the top and the bottom. And right now I'm just kind of milling up stuff to get rid of logs and just get some lumber piled up so that when I build stuff I have lumber to build with. So the first one here, it's got a bunch of I call it wane, so it's got a lot of edge on it. I could lay that down on the sawmill and cut a 1x out of it and it'd be a nice clean 1x board, but for my chicken coop or stuff like that, I'm not too worried about that little bit of bark. I would not put that in a house or even in a garage, but a chicken coop or something like that, I have no problems using it for that. Yeah, this first board, it's just kind of a user board, but the next two boards are really nice and clean, nice and square, beautiful 2x6s. You'd have no problems using that to build a house or a cabin. No problems at all. That's a beautiful board. And this one here, the same. It's got just a little bit down here, but it's 9.5 foot long. So to get 8 foot out of it, it'll be pretty easy. Get my tape measure to work here. It'll be pretty easy to get 8 foot out of it, because 8 foot lands right here, and that's before any of the wane. So, again, that's a beautiful board for construction. 2 inches thick on both ends. 6 inches. That's beautiful. Perfect. It'll shrink just a little bit, but I don't care about that. All the wood is going to shrink and expand and contract with the moisture in the air. Yep, I'm happy with those. And this one, I'm not displeased with. I'm not displeased with this either. I knew I was going to get it like that. Usually do with these smaller logs. You're not getting a whole lot out of them, but you just have to make the best out of what you have. Happy, happy, happy. I really don't have a spot to stack my lumber right now, so I just do it on the end of my sawmill blade or bed. Just stack it up. And my battery's just about dead on the camera. Very nice. The last time I tried to do this, I cut my head off with the camera. You know, didn't have it, so. Let's see what to say next. Remember, God loves you. Thank you for watching this edition of Not So Remote Alaska. May God bless and keep each and every one of you. And with that, I'm out.